Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So for today's video, I had filmed a video of me earlier today getting ready. It's Valentine's Day today. I went out with my mom, my brother, my daughters, except for my middle one, for brunch. My husband is out of town. Unfortunately, I do not have a Valentine's Day dinner plan today, but my husband did good. We actually had dinner but right before he left, so we're okay. We avoided the crowds, so it's okay. So while I was getting ready, I had mentioned that I am practically done with my beauty room / office setup. It has been a lot of moving around, and I think I finally am about 90, I would say 90 to 95% okay with my setup right now. So I thought, why not? Let me just go ahead and film this office / beauty room tour. So if you haven't seen me moving my vanity from my master bedroom to this room, I will have that linked below. This room used to be my oldest daughter's bedroom, but she no longer lives with me. She actually lives with my mom now, and I needed my own woman cave. My husband has the basement. So I was like, yeah, let me kind of rearrange this room because I need an office because there are times that I work from home. So I needed a space where I could close the door, work from home if need be, but also if I have to get up super early because I work really odd hours at times to get myself ready without waking up without waking up my husband. That was one of the main reasons why I decided I was also going to put my beauty room in my office. So it's not only my office though, but I'm really the only one that uses it. So my daughter has her own little setup, and then my husband now has a setup. Before I actually had two setups. I had my personal setup and then I had my work setup. So he's more like using my work monitors that I was using for his setup whenever he needs to do some teleworking. I'm going to show you this room. Let's get started. As soon as you walk in, this is what you see. Like I said, it is an office. As soon as you walk in, you see the printer, my little cart trolley thing. I used to have all nail supply stuff in here because I also have a little nail studio in the basement. But I brought this up and this is perfect. I have that there because my daughter is always messing around with my room and she brings her little stool. And then over here, I just placed this here. It's not going to remain here, but I have a ton of cables. So like charging cables, battery charger for my camera, sponges and brushes that I need to wash. And then I have been collecting things that I want to get rid of. So this is going to be here. That is a future video. I have a mail organizer here. So then it's my vanity setup. And I just picked this up. My brother put it together for me just last weekend. So this is a Billy Oxburg, I believe it is. I'll put it up on the screen. Shelving unit. So you can do all glass. Okay, this is a two-door one. Or what I chose was like more of glass for display and then like privacy down here for like junk that I didn't want displayed. And I actually like how it looks. I was concerned that it was probably going to be too heavy because I put a lot of the palettes that I don't really use at all, but that are pretty to look at. And I'm sorry, my phone is going off. I don't know who's texting me. So I put all of that up there because I don't like to get rid of like the cool packaging type things. Yes, a ton of it is Jeffree Star up here. I know, controversial, but I've spent my money already, right? And so, yeah. So I'll go through that in a second. Oh my goodness, who is texting me? So then we have 4 Alex drawers. Yes, they are filled with all beauty, makeup related items. It actually really helped because these 2 over here are filled with all eyeshadow palettes. They were really heavy, so I'm glad that I was able to move some out, put some in here, and then kind of space out a lot of my other palettes to be more roomy. I'm not going to be buying a lot more stuff. I think I'm pretty set where I'm at. I'm kind of in this mode of use what I have. I really don't need more stuff. Like, I'm one person and I went through a phase where I thought I had to buy everything. Up here, this is a shelf from Amazon. It is a monitor stand, and I had it on my desk. However, like, it's too wide and it took up so much space on my desk, even though I do have a wide desk. But I just said, well, let me place it on here and see how that looks. And I like the look. It opens up where I can just put like knickknacks and things in there. And then I have 4 Lazy Susan rotating things that I also got on Amazon, filled with my perfume, body mist, things like that, as you can see. And then the top up here, we put these 2 shelves. As you can see, there's like a lot of mixed metals, mixed like wood. No rhyme or reason. I just wanted to use what I already had in the house to avoid shopping as much. So, you know, it worked for me. It's okay. It may bother others, but I'm not bothered by it. But these 2 shelves, it was actually 3 that I had up. But when we put this one up, I had to remove 1. So I only stayed with the 2. But just some knickknacks. I got my like roller balls and travel sprays up there. I have this lipstick holder here. I've had this for a long time. I got my like pretty lipsticks in here. They're really old lipsticks on here, but I don't like to get rid of a lot. Here I have this little acrylic drawer organizer, and it has all of my little sample perfume mist that I only take these for travel. These are amazing. I can just take a handful and I'm happy. So 3 drawers completely filled with these samples. And then these 2 drawers are my travel mini makeup, just to pick my travel essentials when I need to pack my travel makeup bag. And then here's a closer look at my perfume collection. So these are all Bath & Body Works sprays. I have a ton of mixed things up here. Then I kind of did like gold bottles on this one, YSL, Billie Eilish up there, even Kim Kardashian's like spray up here, Coach, Sol de Janeiro, and then more Bath & Body Works sprays, Versace, Moschino, Gucci. Then on this one, I have my Fleur and Sol de Janeiro sprays. I absolutely love these. Victoria's Secret. And then up here, I have more Fleur, some minis. I got a collection of these. I don't know what the brand is called. Like, I don't know, but they're Ulta now. But I got a bunch of these perfumes. Marc Jacobs. What else? So, Joe Malone. This one actually has like a divider in here where I have put some of these like little bottles, and these just fell. These are just more travel scents minis that I have collected throughout the years. And then down here is my Kay Ollie and my Ariana Grande perfumes. And then I have this one here from, I think this one is Kylie. I know I do have this one here from Chloe's collection. And then as we go this side, I have my Vanity, okay? This is my little setup that I have when I film long form videos on this camera, which is a Canon with the a Sigma lens on it. I have this Vanity that my husband gave me a couple years ago. There is a video of him building it, so if you want to check that out, I can put it down in the description as well. Yes, I need 2 lights. I have this rotating thing right here, which is awesome. It just really helps me keep organized. This is my lip liners. And then this acrylic thing right here houses my mascaras, my eyebrow stuff, eyeliners, and liquid liners, which rarely get used. My iPad is always with me, and then I got my phone. Here is another Lazy Susan rotating thing that I got from Marshall's, and it houses my current foundations that I am using, setting sprays, skin tints, my brushes, they're super dirty, and then this thing that houses my sponge. This here is like a miscellaneous box thing that I got hidden over here. This is a standing desk for portability, and I thought I was going to use this, but I really haven't. So what I'm doing is I am actually going to put a file organizer here so that I can just turn around and grab my stuff, and I'm just going to put it here. So that's coming tomorrow. This is a work tablet that I use, and then like things that I want to put on that file sorter. So we'll see how that looks. And then I have another little system here that houses like new eyeshadows that I need to use because they're recent in my collection. Any recent makeup that I need to try out will be here as well. And then my single shadows, which I rarely use, but I just put in this drawer recently, so hopefully I can use them a bit more. Some hair tools, and then the rest are just miscellaneous junk. This setup here is my daughter's setup. As you can see, her favorite color is purple, so she'll connect, and she has her monitor there. There is a closet here filled with all my dresses, and then a ton of tech stuff in here, which is nuts. Not gonna show you that. Then I got this little bookshelf. If you know, you know. I got this on the TikTok shop. It's one of those like lymphatic drainage things. Rarely use it. And then this was my work setup that I was talking about, but now I have set it up so my husband can just connect his laptop. He has a Surface Pro laptop, which is like only 13 inches. And so now the two monitors will help him do some teleworking. This here is a file cabinet that I got from work that I use to store work stuff. My little one's iPad is charging. This here is now my setup for both personal and work. I have my work laptop right there. And then underneath right there, I have my MacBook Pro. Don't know if you can see that. I have a walking pad underneath, and yes, my desks are standing up right now. Keyboards, keyboard wall, yes, I have gotten into keyboards. I have a Stream Deck right there. That one goes to my MacBook Pro, and then this right here is my mini PC from GeekCom. I love it. And then this here is my MacBook Pro docking station. This is a LG 34-inch curved monitor. This is a Sceptra. I don't even know how to say this. 27-inch, I believe. 27 or 24. Maybe 24-inch curved monitor as well. There are times where I'll keep it this way or I will angle it to where it's vertical. Just depends on my mood. And then this here is what I was talking about. I bought the smaller version to put on my desk, and it's just so much better. I like it. It doesn't take up as much space as the other one did. And then it houses like my mouses and stuff like that for the rest of my setup. Yes, I do have two webcams. One is for my job. The other is personal. And then, yeah, this charges my phone. It's from a company that I found online. She does Macy Lay, I think is her name. She does cozy vibe things, and I just loved how that looked. That is my desk setup. And then here's another one which I gave my husband. Thank God the work setup, I kept it neutral colors so that I didn't have to rebuy things for him. This sits behind me. I use this tripod thing with the lights to film. When I am not filming, I kind of put it to the side over there so it's not in the way because of my chair. Real quick, I can show you the newest thing, the newest furniture in my room with the doors open. So here are the palettes that made it to the shelf for display. These right here are cream and liquid eyeshadows. Got setting sprays that are currently not in rotation. All these like lip masks that I have going on here, since they're all pretty and colorful, kept them there. And then down here is where you guys, nobody can see. It's not displayed, right? So I got my foundation collection right there, which I want to go over again and just really declutter what I'm not using because I am really not into full coverage like that anymore. Sponges, and then just miscellaneous stuff. Down at the bottom is more tech gear. I got my lenses, got my DJI stuff. I have a Insta360 down there, a GoPro back there. We're prepped for some filming. So that is my setup for my beauty room slash office. I really like how it looks right now. One thing that we're going to do in the near future, don't know when, but we are going to be changing out the carpets at this place. They're just, when we got this house, they were a little gross. So we just washed them, but didn't invest in getting new carpet. And as, the years have gone on, we've been in this house for 4 years now. Where my kids are terrible about taking off their shoes. I have 3 dogs. It's just the carpet needs to go. So that's going to be interesting because I have so much stuff. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of my setup. I know it can look a little chaotic, but it works for me just fine right now. Thanks again. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.